Hey everybody, I'm very excited to be unboxing my newest camera. It's a Canon 60D. I also picked up two of these SanDisk SD cards. They're 32 gigabytes and they record up to 45 megabytes per second. So very excited looking to unbox it. So let's go ahead and get this started. Let's move these out of the way for now, and here's the box. I bought it from Costco. It was listed at $1,099, so basically it's $1,100 with tax and everything comes to around $1,200. So here's the box that it comes with. Let's go ahead and break the seal. Okay, let's open it up. So first thing that you see are some coupons and a quick start guide. Let's move these out of the way. And the bundle at Costco, they come with an 8 gigabyte SD card in the box. So it's good to have these for backup. Let's move that out of the way. Here is a HDMI to mini HDMI cable. And I believe this is a manual for your computer, which teaches you the basic controls. So yeah, here's this. The bundle at Costco comes with a carrying case. Let's move this. So here's the little carrying bag or carrying case. It's not bad. So you open it up, there's a little see-through pouch, and here's the interior. So basic stuff. Let's move this out of the way for now, and let's take a look at the actual camera. So the box is empty. Let's move this out of the way. And here is the 60D. Pretty awesome camera. You have your registration card, I believe, for warranty purposes. Here's your software disk, and then instruction manual. And here are the giant Canon instruction booklet and manual. And then in here would be audio video cable. Here is the wall charger. Yes, this is the wall charger. and this is the transfer USB transfer cable. This is the battery pack. I think the camera only comes with one battery pack, so if you want to buy more battery life, you have to buy your separate one. This would be the lens. It's kind of hard to do this unboxing with one hand, but bear with me. So here's the lens that comes with it. Let's put this here. And then you have your 60D strap. And here is the camera. So let's go ahead and bring it out. Set this down. And here it is, the Canon 60D. Feels pretty solid in my hands. It's very comfortable too. Like, it's really not bad. The difference between the 60D and the 7D is that the 60D has this flip out camera or screen, so you could see what you're recording, and you can flip it around like that, which is pretty nice. And so the camera shoots in 1080p at I believe 60 frames per second. It's a pretty nice camera. It feels really good in your hand. I'm gonna go ahead and charge up the battery, and I'll do a first impression after the batteries are charged, and I take a few pictures with it. So basically, here's what you get in the package. You get your camera, the 60D, some CDs, instruction manuals and booklets, a strap. You get to your HDMI cable, one battery pack. You get your USB transfer cables or cable, your USB to audio video cable, and you get your wall charger. Oh, and your lens, of course. So it's a pretty nice package. It's a really well-known camera, and I'm really looking forward to testing it out. So thank you for watching.